Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekalaiva. Today I am going to discuss exercise 2.1 question number 9. I'm going to recall first, right? First I'll write the question, right? X plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square. Here the denominator contains linear factor as repeated. Linear factor as repeated n times. Here it repeated 2 times. So the general format I have discussed already, right? How to write a by x plus 3 plus b by x plus 3 the whole square. Right children? Now x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square equal to a by, first one is not repeated, so a by x minus 1 plus second is repeated twice, that I am going to write it in terms of b by x plus 3 plus c by x plus 3 the whole square. Got it children? If the linear factor is non-repeated, you can write a by plus b by. If the things are repeated, this is the procedure you want to follow. Now, I am going to take LCM in the right side. What is the LCM? X minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square. You may ask, Miss, why x plus 3 is not there? See, if the number comes like this, which is your LCM, you can consider 3 into 4. That means 2 is exist here the same way, right? X plus 3 is included here, right? When I tell you in the number format, it is easy to understand, right? Now, a into, which is missing, x plus 3 the whole square plus b into x minus 1 x plus 3 is missing, plus c into x minus 1, x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square. Cancel. In between equal, the denominators are same. Whether did you understand this children? The first one you consider as 3, the second one you consider as 2, the the third one you consider as 4, the denominator. Then 2 is exist inside, it is included. That's why we are taking 3 into 4 as a LCM. The same way x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square as a LCM. Now put x is equal to minus 3, right? If I substitute x is equal to minus 3, a and b are vanished, right? Minus 3 plus 2. If inside the bracket the number is positive, x should be assigned as negative. Inside the bracket the number is negative, x should assign as a positive. Here x should assign as a negative, right? Now a into minus 3 plus 3 the whole square plus b into minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 plus 3 plus c into minus 3 minus 1. Then these two terms are vanished. Then what should be there is c alone is exist, right? Minus 1 equal to minus 4c. Then c is equal to 1 by 4. Got it children? Right? Say yes or no. Next, you want to substitute x is equal to plus 1. Because inside the bracket the number is negative x minus 1. So I am going to substitute x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. If I substitute x is equal to 1, C and B are vanished, right? X is equal to 1. That means what is your right side? 1 plus 2, 3. equal to a into 1 plus 3 the whole square plus b into 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 3 plus c into 1 minus 1. What is children? Say yes or no now. This is equal to 4. 4a. Then this term has to be vanished. Right? 4 square. 1 minute, I'll write it. A into 4 square. Here this become vanish and this also vanish. So what is your A now? A equal to 3 by 16. A equal to 3 by 16. Now I am going to substitute x is equal to 0. If I substitute x is equal to 0, I can get the value of b. X is equal to 0. Then the left hand side it becomes 2. Right hand side what it is you see? A into 3 square plus b into 3 into minus 1 plus c into minus 1. Now 9a minus 3b minus 1 by 4 because C value you know that is 1 by 4. A value also I am going to substitute, right? What is A value I arrived? 3 by 16. 9 into 3 by 16 minus 3C minus 1 by 4. Now 2 minus 27 by 16 plus 1 by 4 equal to minus 3c. Then 16 is my LCM. 32 minus 27 plus 4 equal to minus 3c. 32 minus 27, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. It implies 9 by 16 equal to minus 3, sorry, 3b. 1 minute, children. 3b. Minus 3b. Now, what is the result of b? 3, 3s are 9. So, b equal to minus 3 by 16. Got it? Minus 3 by 16. Now, I am going to write a single fraction in terms of 3 simpler fraction. How I am going to write in this end? X plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square equal to a value what I arrived 3 by 16. 3 by 16 into x minus 1. Sorry, it should be in the denominator. X minus 1 minus 3 by 16 into x plus 3 minus 1 by 4, sorry, plus 1 by 4 into x plus 3 the whole square. A value is 3 by 16, B value is negative minus 3 by 16, C value is positive 1 by 4. Now I am going to discuss the third category. The third category. What is the third category? You listen. The third category is nothing but denominator contains quadratic factors. Quadratic factors which cannot be factorized. Quadratic factors which cannot be factorized. Which cannot be factorized as linear factors. Which cannot be factorized into linear factors. Into linear factors. How to write that? How to resolve, right? That fraction, that is p of x divided by q of x, can be resolved into partial fraction, partial fraction, what? Partial fraction of the form. Partial fraction of the form ax plus b divided by, general format it is ax square plus bx plus c. Denominator contains quadratic factors which cannot be factorized into linear factor. Means how to resolve into the partial fraction ax plus b divided by the quadratic polynomial, right? What quadratic polynomial is given to you, that you have to write it in the denominator place. That I am going to discuss, in question number 8 and 9, right? See here, question number 8, x square minus 3 divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. You may ask how it cannot be factorized, miss? Because when you equate with 0, what can you get? X square equal to minus 1. If it comes minus 1 in the right hand side, you cannot take a square root, because square root of negative, it represents your complex number, right? That's why the quadratic polynomial cannot be factorized. Got it, children? How it cannot be factorized? Because you arrive the result as negative, you cannot take a square root. If you arrive negative on the right side, if you can't take a square root, you should apply this formula ax plus b divided by a given quadratic polynomial, right? Now you see how I am going to convert into the format. The first one, it is factorized, you have no issue. So a by x plus 2 plus bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. Got it, children? Now the same procedure what we did in the previous. X plus 2 into x square plus 1 equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 2. Got it, children? Divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. Now the denominator vanished. You have to substitute the value of x. Now x square minus 3 equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 2. Substitute x is equal to minus 2. Because here the number is positive, I select x as negative. If I select negative, the whole term has to be vanished. Then I can get the value of a easily, right? 4 minus 3 equal to a into minus 2 the whole square, that is 4 plus 1, which is equal to, which implies 1 equal to 5a, a equal to 1 by 5. Now I am going to move to x is equal to Any value you can substitute. X is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 0 means the left hand side you arrived minus 3 equal to a into 0. Right? A into 0 square plus 1 plus b into 0 plus c into 0 plus 2. What is children? If I substitute 0, b is vanished. So minus 3. A value you know that is 1 by 5 plus here 2c. What can you get? 2c. Got it children? Now which implies minus 3 minus 1 by 5 equal to 2c. How to take LCM? Minus 8 by 5 equal to 2c. Minus 8 by 5 equal to 2c. What can you get? Sorry, minus 16, no? Minus 15 minus 1 minus 16 by 5 equal to 2c. 2 ones are 2 eights are. So c is equal to minus 8 by 5. C is equal to minus 8 by 5. Next, one more method I am going to include here. You have to listen carefully children. The format I am going to write x square minus 3 equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into what I wrote here x plus 2. Right. Now a into x square plus 1 plus use x and multiply bx square plus 2bx plus cx plus 2c. Right? One more thing I am going to include. Up to the previous, we substitute the value of x. Here I am going to equate the coefficient of x square. Right? Anything you can apply which you feel easy. If you want, you have to substitute any value of x, or you can equating the coefficient of, that is easy. Coefficient of x square on both the sides. Got it children? If I equate the coefficient of x on both the sides, the left hand side will give you 1. The right hand side you arrive as a. Then it is b. 1 equal to 1 by 5 plus b, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5 equal to b. It is easy, right? Yeah. 4 by 5 equal to b. Instead of substituting x value, you have to adapt this also, right? Now I am going to write the single fraction into the simpler fraction. X, what it is in the numerator, x square minus 3 divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 equal to a by, what is your a? 1 by 5 divided by x plus 2 plus, what is your b? 4 by 5x. What is your c? Minus 8 by 5 divided by x square plus 1, which is equal to, if you want, you write like this, 1 by 5 into x plus 2. Here the denominators are same, so directly we are going to add the numerator. 4x minus 8 divided by 5 into x square plus 1. Got it children? Now I am going to move to question number 10. Question number 10. What it is given? Question number 10. 1 divided by x square plus 4 into x plus 1. What I discussed already, if the denominator contains a quadratic polynomial which cannot be factorized, means you should write it as ax plus b, right? Here it exists in the past, so I am going to write it as ax plus b divided by x square plus 4 plus c divided by x plus 1. In the previous sum, it exists in the second position, so I wrote bx plus c, right? If you want, you have to write interchange and write also, nothing is wrong. Here you can write a by x plus 1, or here you can write bx plus c divided by x square plus 4. Whatever it is, you should arrive the same result of a, b, c, right? Now, 1 divided by x square plus 4 into x plus 1, ax plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x square plus 4, the whole thing divided by x square plus 4 into x plus 1. Now the denominators are vanished. Now you see, put x is equal to, what can you assign? Put x is equal to, x is equal to minus 1, right? Put x is equal to minus 1. Then what can you get? 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus b, a into minus 1 plus b bracket. What should be there in the thing? X plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 plus c into minus 1 the whole square. That means 1 plus 4, 5. Now this is vanished. So 1 equal to 5c. C is equal to 1 by 5. C is equal to 1 by 5. Now substitute x is equal to 0. Then 1 equal to a into 0, a into 0 plus b bracket 0 plus 1 plus c into, what is the thing? C into 4. Now a is vanished. 1 equal to b plus 4c. Now c value you know, right? What is the value of c? What is the value of c? 1 equal to b plus c value is 1 by 5. So it becomes 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Now b is equal to 1 minus 4 by 5, which is equal to 1 by 5. Got it? Now equating the coefficient of x square. Now what can I get? In the left hand side 0 equal to, right, it becomes a plus c. C value I know what it is, 1 by 5. So a equal to minus 1 by 5. Now I'm going to write the fraction in terms of simpler. What it is, the given fraction 1 divided by x square plus 4 into x plus 1 equal to 1 by 1 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 x plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 divided by x square plus 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 into x plus 1. What is, children? Which is equal to minus x plus 1 divided by 5 into x square plus 4 plus 1 by 5 into x plus 1. Now I am going to explain again. You have to listen carefully, children. See here the denominator cannot be factorized. So I wrote it as ax plus b divided by x square plus 4 plus c divided by x plus 1. Then I took LCM in the right side. I arrived ax plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x square plus 4. I substitute x is equal to minus 1. So a and b are vanished. I arrived the result as c is equal to 1 by 5. Then I substitute x is equal to 0, 1 equal to. So a vanished. I arrived b plus 4c. I know the c value is 1 by 5. So 4 by 5 plus b equal to 1. b equal to 1 by 5. Equating the coefficient of x square. So I arrived 0 is equal to a plus c. C value I know that is 1 by 5. So what I arrived, C value I got it as 1 by 5. Now what is the value of A? A equal to minus 1 by 5. Finally, I substituted, I convert the single fraction into the two simpler fraction. Thank you, children. You have to go through. If you have any doubt, you don't feel shy to ask. If you want, I will explain again. Right? Thank you, children.